Hi there. In today's lecture, we're going to look at the logical function OR. The function OR is used to check whether two or more statements are true. If any of those statements are true, it returns a true value. If all of the statements are false, it returns a false value. So we'll be using the candidate database as an example for this exercise as well. So in this exercise, we'll be checking whether the candidate's location is Bangalore or Chennai. And in the candidate is either from Bangalore or Chennai, it will return an eligible value. And if the candidate is neither from Bangalore nor from Chennai, then it will return a not eligible value. So let's get started. The syntax is equal to or open parenthesis. So logic 1 is whether D2 is equal to Bangalore or D2 is equal to Chennai, close quotes. So the function returns a value false if the city of the candidate is neither Bangalore nor Chennai. If you would want to have the function return a value as eligible or not eligible, we can combine the OR function with an if function. So here's how we can do it. So just before the OR function, you can start the if function, open parenthesis. So the entire OR function becomes the logical test of the if function. So if either of the condition turns out to be true, that is the candidate is either from Bangalore or from Chennai, then we can have the value outputted as eligible. If both of them are not Bangalore or Chennai, then we can output a value which would be not eligible. So as you can see, we've converted the output of the OR function, which is either true or false, into eligible or not eligible using the if function. This candidate is from Bangalore, so he's eligible. This candidate is from Bangalore, so he is also eligible. So in this lecture, we looked at the OR function and its syntax. We learned that it is used to check whether two or more conditions are true. If either of them is true, then it returns a true value. If all of them are false, it returns a false value. We combine the OR function with the if function to ensure that we get the output as eligible or not eligible. When the OR function is true, we get a value as eligible. When the OR function returns a false value, we get the result as not eligible. Well, that's it for this lecture. I'll see you in the next one. Please do let us know your views on this video in the comment section. Thank you.